Hey guys, today we're going to be working on my lawnmower. Going to put all new bearings, shafts, pulleys. I'm going to overhaul the whole deck, and let's do it. These are nice. No noise whatsoever. I was just going to try to do the bearings. I can get these just for like $20 more, get the whole spindle and everything. And that's the only way to go. And that's original Husqvarna part, so everything should work. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take our pulleys off the top. And we got 4 bolts that hold them on. Got to take our belt guard off. These are just cast aluminum. More than likely, I take these bolts out, the bolts are going to break off. Let's see what happens. Well, that one came out. That one broke. That one broke. That's just about normal. You can hear them. Listen to them. I mean, man A was making a bunch of noise. And the bad thing about these, there's no grease fittings whatsoever. All these are sealed bearings. There's no way to grease them. And I've seen people where they try to press these out and they'll end up busting your housing on it. These have got the little washers. The new ones are made on the shaft or the bearing or something. They're actually part of it. I mean, man, there's just a big difference in the sound of it. This lawnmower doesn't have, but I don't know, it's got less than 100 hours on it. I bought it new. It's been a good mower, actually. And these come with new bolts and everything, and I hope they thread up good and not strip out. They're supposed to be all on self-threading. Goes on the outside of it. Double checking these with a ratchet because I don't want to strip them dudes out. Pretty snug. Pretty snug. Man, that's so much quieter. Went ahead and got new pulleys. I didn't know if they were, the other ones were rusty. I thought just do it all new while I'm doing it. Man, that's nice. My nut is the threads don't go all the way up to the top, so that leaves a little hollow spot to cover up for your grooves. That'll work. Man, that looks nice. Now we'll take this other side off. Take my little belt guard off here. Listen to that. Man, that's bad. I mean, wore out. On these, they've got the bottom part of the shaft has got the pulley has got a raised part on it, like a thick washer. Top side don't. That's got a 9/16 nut on the bottom of it. Get it there. Yes, sir. Washer on top. And that's also got the little hub on the bottom of it. And a big washer on the bottom of it. And that's got a little slot it sets in just like that. A washer on the top. That is quiet right there. Because I mean, we don't have no tension from the blades on it yet. Belt. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Help me out. Appreciate it. Hey, thanks for watching.